And this year, Krones is very pleased to participate CBST 2024. And during this time, we heard many times about new productivity boosters and sustainability development. And actually, this time we showed a new packaging method for the PET bottle and also the can bottle. We call it LitePac. With LitePac, actually we replace the traditional film pack with very less materials of carton board. And with this, we will reduce the shrink tunnel and also the CO2 in the whole line. And with such behavior, it is also a big movement for sustainability development. This is also a Krones development direction. And it's our pleasure to make the practice and develop it together with Chinese customers in the future. And also it's a good pleasure to participate in CBST 2024.